Kick back this Christmas season with our cozy homeway essentials, from stylish lounge suites to quality sleep support. You'll find unbeatable deals on these home updates in our latest catalog until 26 December 2025. Don't miss out on the biggest savings of the season. Shop online or in-store at OK Furniture. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Bafana 2, the Palancas Negras of Angola 1, the Black Antelopes of Angola 1. Well, that's Bafana. Tough watch, but we take the 3 points and we move forward, as long as it means that we step closer to the knockout stages. Bobzit, we watched the game, we enjoyed it. Frustrating sometimes, because there was a point where Angola were coming at us, and then of course, Nabo, I don't know, they just gave us the game really. So thank you so much to Angola. What did you make of the game, sir?
Mr. Nko, it's ngibulise man, ngibulise namachite studio.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngiyahleka inkululeko. Yazi le game to ebidlala ngakhona. Boloku busy lento enzakayo, ufisa ukuthi yenzeke and yenzeke the way.
But you are my tools of analysis.
Yeah.
This game, I was feeling it now. I could see the game flow.
Yeah.
Hey, lana Angola isaba igama le South Africa.
Yeah.
And they're gonna concede, and concede the first 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then South Africa, this European coach now has scored 1 goal. Ufuna ukudefend. Izokora Angola, iyakora.
Iyakora.
And then Angola, they're defending. Like, now you're defending. These ones are going to score. And then they score. I'm like, okay, there we go. Like, you can see the flow of the game.
Yeah.
And I think for them, those two coaches, Bob said, much of the game was, whatever happened in the game was because of what the coaches allowed.
Yeah.
And when we scored and we allowed them, they scored. When they scored and they allowed us, eventually sakora. Now it makes you wonder, what kind of game would we have seen if people were allowed us to play? Dalan, when there's a chance, attack. Baba attack. I don't know what kind of game we would have seen, but I would have loved to see that.
Mr. Nko, iti ngibongise Bafana, Coach Hugo Bros, Helmen Mkelele, the technical team yonke yabo and the players. I think for our results, they did very well, Mr. Nko. The first game balega cool group stages afana nalawo. So into engayisho mina ukuthi abo coach beba influence kakhulu kule game Mr. Nkewu. Uma ungabheka abadlali bebadlala but bebadlala too much ngama instruction wabo coach, because lento beyenzeka la, if you can check their game uyabona ukuthi after South Africa beyikhona ukudlala if iscore ku 0-0 or 1-1. It's like South Africa befuna ukudlala
when they are chasing a goal.
A goal. But after South Africa icede ukukora le goal yokuqala, then ibese iya change. La Angola khona idominate khona because standard ibafana kusase i-0-0. Beyidominate ball position, besibona khona abombule bakhona ukuvela beze bazojoyina naboyaya nabadlali abafana nabo Tebza. Even though sibona aboyaya nabo Tebza kungabadlali esibona uyaya adlala ama back pass kakhulu uma ngabe sifuna mhlambe si progress kwenye line, but uyabona ukuthi the way beyidlala ngakhona ibafana beyingascora noma ngabe kunini before. So beka the way baqale ngakhona siqale kahle kakhulu Mr. Nkewu, because kumele ukuthi sibe ne confidence ebholeni. Masingagena le ball position sizokhona ucontrol the game, but the problem ukuthi uma sithola lela goal asafuna ukudlala the way silinde ukuthi ibuye manje i-team efana neAngola and ibuyile Angola yazosidominate la khona ngibona ukuthi after ikore Angola bengalithola na if befuna goal number 2, but because of bona they respect bafana and bafana nayo they respect Angola. So the game was too tactical Mr. Nkewu, lokuthi abo coach beba influencer kakhulu abadlali ukuthi no singamane siphume draw. Mina le game bese ngibona ngathi izodlala draw. You understand?
The other bench
Yeah.
must have said it. Le Angola especially must have said it ukuthi even if it's 1-1, there's nothing bad with that.
Yeah, but look at the way i-defense yethu beyingakhona Mr. Nkewu. Sikhuphuka ngomdlalo ofana noKhuliso nomdlalo ofana noOpre. La khona sibona ungezana if mhlambe uKhuliso uhambile ungezana bekaphusha kancane njengoba ngisho ukuthi uTebza beka drop. But ilabe singamfuni khona uTebza because uTebza ugood kakhulu mangabadlala phambi kwakayaya. So that ukwazi ukuthola nalama shot on target nalama forward pass, because uyaya is not easy ukunikeza ama forward pass. Sibona uOpre ngapha uyakhona ukuthi operate, but into engibhekile kakhulu ezosilimaza going forward i-discipline. Sithola ama yellow card unnecessary. Yellow card ka Opre nongezana if umuntu face iball lakhe ubhekele epalini lakhe uface goalkeeper why kumele ukuthi lo yamdlali umfoul Mr Nkewu shielda lo yamdlali adlala back pass sikwazi ukuthi at least sibe safe ngalama card but the way ngibona singekho discipline ngakhona izosilimaza lento and siyenza next to the box because
futhi ku-tournament
you understand
you eventually get a suspension
and look at how it defends ama set piece ugcina ukhumbula ungana sesasebhenchini ukuthi uyamdinga kulama set piece because we are failing to defend ama set piece so kumele avoid lento yokuthola ama yellow card nokuthi senza ama foul unnecessary next to the box because bheka le ball abalikorini ukuthi senze mistake bathatha ibhola abalibeka kuphi lapha khona kunomdlalo ofana no Foster and angeke umblame uFoster is not a defender lapha khona kunabadlali mhlambe abangadeserve ukudefenda ngcono kulela bhola you understand so bagcine basiphanisha kulela bhola good goal for ilo Angola uma ungabheka the way
it was a good goal
because uFred uma ungambheka Mr Nkewu ngifuna ukukhuluma ngaye lo mjita I think for me ngiyambona uFoster bamnikezile man of the match I'm happy for him but uFred bekayideserve uFred bekayideserve just number 16 ucaptain we Angola uma ungabheka yena adlala no Maestro chess number 8 into bebayenza Mr Nkewu bebangafuna ukalawa uTebza noSithole ukuthi ku build up babe khona because bazi ukuthi if la machita receiver lela ball they can play ama long ball kumdlalo ofana noNkotha noApolis la khona create lesa space uKhanira khuphuka khona noMatha khuphuka ngakhona bafuna ukusebenzisa lesa space but into engibhekile ukuthi after la machita bakhona ukuba pressure abakhona ukudlala siforced ukuthi abombokazi nabongezana badlalela ama long ball badlalela abonkotha la khona bagood abokhanisto ukuthi kakhulu uma ngambheka lo yamdlali top defender ku left back we understand so yila khona ubona unkotha angadlali because uyazivala lesa space sakankotha because asikwazi ukuthi sikhona ukudlala la kulama pockets in the middle of the park sifuna ukudlala lama long ball diagonal pass Police ma receive ball kumele adlalele unkotha nayo lento le yenza ukuthi kubenzima kulama wing ethu Police ungambheka kulela goal creativity uma ungabheka ukhona ukwenza lento mhlawumbe ngicanga ukuthi ungayenza kunebhola la aliqale khona ufuna ukulishaya icaleni washo nokuthi no why engayenzanga lento ukuthi at least athathe ibhola bene extra pass inside the box because uyambona ugood umdlalo ofana noApolis uma ngaba seboxini so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr Nkewu igame plan yabo nayo beyibasebenzela because ukuvala lama space wethu bebafuna ukukhuphuka ngawo lama wing back abo uMatha jersey number 4 uyambona ukuthi uma hlangana noluvumbo kulela side bebanikeza problem
that's why when I look at this coach bro as you mentioned these two players but you said no coach
wins the mistake
because
yes
exactly
unelo card nabadlala aba good offensive which is uMatha no Luvumbo
why they were trying to make that a freeway on the left back and then the coach is like in the second half is like please come
we understand bafuna bazomaka
but thank you coach thank you for giving
ngiyavuma Mr Nkewu because why bekangachubeki lapha kulela because uOpri bekazosicommit athole ne second yellow card and bekazodlala safe
defensive midfielder yakhe beyimnceda uSithole naye uthole yellow card
uthole yellow card nayo Sithole so uyabona ukuthi and uyithola so nangu lo mdlalo khona la phakathi kwesiso Mr Nkewu uFred wenza yonke into uma ibhola liphethwe eAngola uyahamba uyolifuna uzicreate ispace yena ukuthi ngifuna ukudlala and uma aqeda ukuwina uyazi ukuthi ufuna ukulisebenzisa kanjani beka inkinga ku midfield yabafana uFred him and also uMaestro uma ungabheka jersey number 8 bekungabadlala wabona ukuthi mabawina la ball bafuna ukuthola angazi undala ubandi awuthi qoka jersey number 10 na skillful player bengaza ngapha because badlala bangene ngaphakathi banele striker sabo lesi number 9 you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bonke equality banayo Mr Nkewu uma ungabheka iAngola ine quality because labadlala abakhona uMabululu uhleze ebenchini because of that striker such as number 9 uyambona ukuthi he can shield akalose ibhola decision making uyazi ukuthi mangibamba ibhola bazovela abo Maestro bazovela badlala abafana nabo Fred ngikwazi ukudlala nabo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr Nkewu the way sidlala ngakhona siwatholile ama results I'm happy for ama results but uma ungabheka kune team mhlawumbe ngibona ngathi uma ingaba ingafuna ukudlala independent quality efana neAngola bangasinikeza iproblem Mr Nkewu so I like the way ngibona sibe discipline ngakhona njengombokazi ngimbonile lapha emuva he was assisting umdlalo ofana noNgezana because uNgezana uyambona ukuthi umuntu ogurashayo njengoba bengisho ngithi akathumele yena then yena bese uzokhona ukudlala as a sweeper besazi kune sweeper njengamanje uyambona umbokazi ukuthi beka calm umjita but technique ayiphethe Mr Nkewu ayima kancane Mr Nkewu
he kicks the ball like a midfielder
always lo mjita lo yadala so ngisho ngithi if besinayi center back mina strong umbokazi bongamkhipha uyayo lethu umbokazi no Tebs
Yeah.
ubone ukuthi bekungenzakalani because uyakwazi ukuphasa umbokazi, he can take ama shot on target, uyakwazi ukuthi amakho umbokazi. So le game siwinile Mr Nkobe, ngimbona mina uyaya kunala ngifise khona ngathi no uyaya ngathi manje ngamdonsa ngilethe umdlalo ofana nombatha.
Yes,
Mina ngeke ngimbone
what's
ngakhona.
interesting, I agree with that point.
Yeah.
But what's interesting is that I think when we play Egypt,
Yeah.
I don't expect to see Usipho Mbule because of maybe the coach will want to defend.
Yeah.
And also, if he's persuaded, because if he's persuaded to change him, angamkhipha afake Albas, so that we could have Albas, Umukwena, and whoever is replacing Mbule, because we're going to want to defend against Egypt. That's my suspicion.
Yeah, because maruma ngabheka Mr Nkobe, lento yokudefenda, I think maybe defend uma ubona njengamanje ulethu Obas ulethu Tebs ulethu Yaya udefender because wazi ukuthi uphethe something.
Yeah, you are leading.
You understand? Umdlalo ofana noMbule, uma ungazibuza ukuthi why uMbule bekangadlali, it's because of njengoba ngikutshela ngoFreddy, le two double pivot ebuyela uYaya no Tebza bebadlala deep, and uma badlala deep akuna supplier ezojoina la. Kumele ukuthi uMbule adlale ngama second ball, uma libuya wide ku Apolis or libuya ngale kuNkotha, ngikhana uMbule kumele eze azodlala la kunabo Foster. But if the two bekhona la kunama forward pass, I think uMbule bakhona ukumjoina bekazodlala, because now uMbule uba kuphi, uba phambi kwabo, but akuna baswitchile le supplier la kula majita, kumele ukuthi badlale wide always. So it was difficult for uMbule naye ukuthi adlale. That's why bekathatha isikhathi ukubamba ibhola la al receiver khona, sometimes nokuthi al lose, because egroundini Mr Nkobe if uzothatha isikhathi ungalibamba ibhola ku-easy ukuthi lose ball position, because the more ulibamba so yabanda angisho awukho busy, awulitholi. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho ukudlala defensive, okay I know ukuthi ibhola silwina i-game siwina ku midfield most of the time, so but ngiyacabanga ukuthi going forward uzobadinga abadlali abazokunikeza something ukuya phambili Mr Nkobe. But overall Mr Nkobe, I'm happy, and I want to give credit to Aubrey, the way ngimbona adlale ngakhona nale yellow card. I was scared ngo Aubrey. Ngibona ngathi uzothola second yellow card. And enye into njengoba usho ukuthi siyambonga ucoach weAngola, the way enze ngakhona ukuthi angasebenzisi lela side, because hili side ebelingozi. I know ukuthi umbokazi umkhavile, but hilo iside ebengilibona ngathi singahle sithole inkinga kulo, because ngale kumdlali ofana noMtawu yila khona ubona le left back bengakwazi ukukhuphuka. You know Mr Nkobe ukuthi lo boy lo we left back yeAngola, he always umthola angale ku final third ye opponent, but now uyambona ukuthi beyangakhona ukukhuphuka, because uyazi le speed bafana enaso nala indlela ucoach Hugo Broos alethe game yakhe ngakhona. Look at uma lethe uMremi, good game for uMremi, the way afike ngakhona uMremi ubonisile Mr Nkobe yangalahla ibhola, uyeza uyavela uvela ngama touches banabo Lil Foster. So I think sidlala kahle kakhulu Mr Nkobe ukuthi sithole nama results. Iwazosenza ukuthi at least i second game sikwazi ukuthi sidecide kanjani ne team efana neAl Ahly. I mean Egypt. I mean sorry.
Thank you so much, Bobsit.
Yeah.
Maybe it will be a confidence booster. Maybe izophakama performance. We'll see. We'll see. I suppose first game of the tournament. Yes, we're not happy with the performance, 100%, but we're happy that we got the 3 points. Maybe it picks up next game. What I like as well was that I'm not going to lie and sit here and say Angola deserved to win. There was a point where they decided to give the game away. I was like, please, God, I am asking, let it not be 1-1. Please, let's score. Please. If they're giving the game away, thank you. We'll take it. And we took it. Thank you, Lyle Foster. It is TV Times. We're suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.